Welcome to the channel, Alam La Popo, where we explore important business topics. In this video, we'll discuss inventory management versus warehouse management. What's the difference? Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel. Inventory management and warehouse management are closely related, but they serve different purposes in the supply chain. Inventory management focuses on what items you have, how many, and when to reorder them. Warehouse management focuses on where items are stored and how they move inside the warehouse. Inventory management is more about data, planning, and decision-making. Warehouse management is more about physical activities and operational efficiency. Inventory management answers the question, how much stock do we need? Warehouse management answers the question, how do we store and move stock efficiently? Inventory management aims to avoid both overstock and stockouts. Warehouse management aims to reduce handling time and errors. Inventory management works closely with purchasing and sales teams. Warehouse management works closely with logistics and operations teams. Inventory management uses systems like ERP and specialized inventory planning software. Warehouse management uses systems like WMS to control daily operations. Inventory management focuses on long-term stock accuracy. Warehouse management focuses on real-time movement and speed. Inventory errors can lead to lost sales or excess costs. Warehouse errors can lead to delays and damaged goods. Inventory management tracks stock across multiple locations. Warehouse management focuses on optimizing a specific physical location. Inventory management supports strategic business decisions. Warehouse management supports daily operational execution. Inventory management improves cash flow and forecasting. Warehouse management improves speed, safety, and accuracy. Inventory management is usually managed by planners and analysts. Warehouse management is usually managed by supervisors and operators. Both systems must work together to achieve optimal supply chain efficiency. Without inventory management, warehouses may store the wrong products. Without warehouse management, inventory cannot move efficiently. Inventory management helps businesses balance supply and demand accurately. Warehouse management ensures goods are stored safely and accessed easily. Inventory management relies heavily on forecasting and historical data. Warehouse management relies heavily on layout design and workflow planning. Good inventory management reduces unnecessary capital tied up in stock. Good warehouse management reduces wasted movement and labor. Inventory management tracks raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Warehouse management handles receiving, storage, picking, packing, and shipping. Inventory accuracy is critical for reliable customer commitments. Warehouse accuracy is critical for fast and correct order fulfillment. Inventory management supports multi-channel sales strategies. Warehouse management supports omnichannel fulfillment operations. Inventory management helps prioritize fast-moving and slow-moving items. Warehouse management places fast-moving items in easy-to-reach locations. Inventory management supports supplier performance evaluation. Warehouse management supports carrier and delivery performance tracking. Inventory management reduces the risk of expired or obsolete stock. Warehouse management ensures proper handling of sensitive or fragile goods. Inventory management improves coordination between departments. Warehouse management improves coordination between people, equipment, and space. Inventory management supports long-term business growth planning. Warehouse management supports scalable daily operations. Inventory management provides visibility across the entire supply chain. Warehouse management provides visibility inside the warehouse walls. Inventory management helps prevent costly emergency purchases. Warehouse management helps prevent bottlenecks during peak operations. Inventory management measures performance using KPIs like turnover rate. Warehouse management measures performance using KPIs like pick rate and accuracy. Inventory management and warehouse management must be aligned digitally. When aligned, Both systems deliver faster service and lower costs. Inventory management helps companies respond quickly to market changes. Warehouse management helps companies execute changes on the warehouse floor. Inventory management supports seasonal and promotional planning. Warehouse management supports peak season volume handling. Inventory management ensures the right products are available at the right time. Warehouse management ensures products are picked, packed, and shipped correctly. Inventory management minimizes financial risks related to stock. Warehouse management minimizes operational risks on the floor. Inventory management helps manage returns and reverse logistics. Warehouse management physically processes returned goods efficiently. Inventory management supports sustainability by reducing waste. Warehouse management supports sustainability through efficient space and energy use. Inventory management uses analytics to improve decision-making. Warehouse management uses automation to improve speed and accuracy. Inventory management benefits from AI-driven demand forecasting. Warehouse management benefits from robotics and smart equipment. Inventory management supports accurate financial reporting. Warehouse management supports operational performance reporting. Inventory management helps businesses scale across regions. Warehouse management helps businesses scale across facilities. Inventory management ensures consistency across all sales channels. Warehouse management ensures consistent execution at every location. Inventory management reduces uncertainty in planning. Warehouse management reduces uncertainty in daily operations. Inventory management focuses on what and how much stock is needed. Warehouse management focuses on where items are located and how they move. Inventory management is strategic and analytical in nature. Warehouse management is operational and execution focused. Inventory management looks ahead to future demand. Warehouse management delivers results in real time. Together, inventory and warehouse management create supply chain balance. Integration between systems improves visibility and control. Modern businesses need both disciplines to stay competitive. Technology connects inventory management and warehouse management seamlessly. People, processes, and technology must work together. Continuous improvement strengthens both management areas. Understanding the difference helps leaders make better decisions. Clear roles prevent confusion and inefficiency. Strong coordination leads to better customer satisfaction. Inventory management and warehouse management work best when fully aligned and integrated.